Attention young truck fans, you won't want to miss Bob the Builder and the thrill of climbing aboard the City of Midland's big trucks, including the fire truck, police vehicles, garbage trucks, and more. Perfect for kids of all ages, the city's annual Touch a Truck event is set for Thursday, July 26 from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. in the Grace A. Dow Memorial Library parking lot. In the event that it should rain on Thursday, July 26th, this event will take place on Friday, July 27th at the same time. For more information on this free event, contact the library at 837-3430.